Alright, this is going to be a short little video. Now I got to locate, oh, there's the Panther. Sitting on the couch. Looking Pantherish. We got to have some air moving in this room. And we're going to need that light. Put Mr. Telephone over there. Panther. Come show everyone what you got today. Panther got a surprise. Come on, Panther, and show us. Come here, Panther. Panther got her a cat tree. And JP here has to put it together. Y'all ought to see me carrying this heavy thing through Ollie's. I didn't even grab a shopping cart. I went right in there to get a cat tree and come back out. I don't know if it comes with tools or not. I do know we're going to need an Allen wrench. So let's get the toolbox out. Oh, this is going to be fun. Come on over, Panther, you can help. We got little, look like paint rollers, but they're not. Why does this thing smell musty? Oh, look, we have sticks. That's sticks. That's all that is sticks. Oh, look, we have scratch post. Ooh. Another stick. Nuts. I mean, yeah, well, bolts. No. Whatever them things are called. Nuts, bolts, what are you going to call them? Oh, look, we have more sticks. Big sticks. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, we have blueprints. Assembly instructions. Oh, okay, it should have an Allen wrench with it. That kind of looks like a hat rack. For the hat rack fans, you know. For the hat rack lovers of the YouTube channel. We have, oh, she can scratch on those. Where did she go? She needs to be helping me. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a hat. Check this out, y'all. I know that's really not what it is, but we're gonna pretend. I ain't putting it on my head. It stinks. Never mind. Anyway, another doohickey. Oh, now we're getting into some wood. That ought to fit the Panther. A big stick. Tarnica board. Another stick and a piece of wood. Another big stick. A round one. What in the... what the hell would you call that? I don't know. Piece of fuzz in my mouth now. Oh, there's a big perch. And I'm going to assume this is the base. And guess what? I don't see an Allen wrench. All else fails, read the directions, right? Maybe. Alright, let's put this thing together. Maybe the Allen wrench is in that bag with them bolts. That's what them are. Bolts. Come help, Panther. Okay. Let me go put this together. And then I'll do another video afterwards of what it looks like. Okay. This is part 1.